Hi, Mr. Right here, and in this film we're going to understand how to find a percentage of a quantity or the percentage of an amount. For example, you might be asked to find 37% of 15,000. Well, how would you do that? Well, the secret is to turn this percentage into a decimal. 37% is 37 out of 100. And 37 out of 100, or 37 hundredths, is 0.37. Now, if you're not sure about that, you can simply put 37 divided by 100 into your calculator and turn it into a decimal that way. So 37% is 0.37, and then we are simply going to remember that of means times, and we're going to do, instead of 37% of 1500, we're going to do 0.37 multiplied by 1500 and get our answer. So to find a percentage as a quantity, we're simply going to write the percentage as a decimal and then do what it says. 0.37 of 1500. Now, there are a couple of things to look out for. What do you need to look out for? Well, you need to be very clear in your head about the difference between finding 20% of something and finding 2% of something. If we're finding 20% of 350, we're going to do 0.2 or 0.20 times 350. Whereas if we're finding 2% of 350, 2% of 350, we're going to need to remember that 2% is 2 hundredths, 2 out of 100, and that as a decimal is 0.02, and then times 350. So the first lookout is to realize that 20% is 0.2 or 0.20, and that 2% is 0.02. Now, the next lookout is to beware about the difference. Well, not the difference of, but to beware of how to find 26.5% or 6.5%. We're going to follow the same process, and once you've seen it once, you'll be fine. So 26.5% of 350, say, is going to be 0.26. Well, that's 26%. So 26.5% is 0.265. And then, of course, you'd multiply that by 250. On the other hand, if you were looking at something like 6.5% of 350, then 0.06 is 6%, so 6.5% is 0.065 times 350. So those are your two lookouts. So in conclusion, when you're finding a percentage of a quantity or a percentage of an amount, you're going to turn the percentage into a decimal and then do what it says.